Dear students, good morning to all of you. In my previous class, I have completed a chapter known as report writing. Now, I am going to start a new chapter in book 3, chapter V second I, chapter name Interpreting Graph, Chart, Table, Diagrams. This chapter, interpreting graph, chart, table, diagrams. From this chapter, you will get the one question that is called 5 marks, and one question that is compulsory. There is no alternative question, only single question is there. This chapter is known as information transfer. Why it is called information transfer? Because information, what information is there in a graph, chart or table or diagram, that we have to transfer it into paragraph. This is called what? Information transfer. And it is also called, it is otherwise known as non-verbal to verbal. In the first year course, you have studied what? Verbal to non-verbal. Verbal to non-verbal means one graphic form is, one passage is there or paragraph is there, that you have to convert it into your graphic form. But here, one graphic form is there, one non-verbal form is there, that we have to write into verbal form. This is called what? Non-verbal to verbal. Or it is otherwise known as data interpretation. Some datas are there, some informations are there that we have to interpret. It is called data interpretation. Or it is also otherwise simplified, what? Graphic form to paragraph. One graphic form. Graphic form question comes in your mind. In your first year course, you have studied graphic form. One special chapter was there, graphic form. From graphic form to paragraph. Graphic form, this question comes, what is graphic form? Graphic form, so many graphic forms. Suppose graph, chart, table, diagram, pie chart, circle chart, bar diagram, all these things. Even we map, graphic forms. All these are called graphic form. Two paragraph. One graphic form is on the question paper, we have to write it into a paragraph. This is called what? Graphic form. So these are the various alternative names of this chapter, and you may also simply remember this chapter is known as information transfer. But this interpreting graph, chart, table, this is the chapter name in book 4, or it is otherwise remembered as information transfer. And you must be sure about the valuation, about the total mark, of this chapter known as 5 marks. So now we will start what is information transfer. What is information transfer? Information transfer is a writing skill. Book 3, what chapters are there in the book 3? All these are called writing skill. It is also, information transfer is a writing skill. It is of two types. It is, if a paragraph is given, then we have to convert it into diagrammatical table or graph. This is the first year pattern. This is, if a paragraph, in the first year course, one paragraph is there, and you have to convert it into diagrammatical table or graph. But now, if it is given graph or pie chart or any other graphic forms, then we have to convert it into small paragraph. It is for the second year. This is the important point. One graphic form is there, and we have to write a paragraph using the graphic form, using the information given in the graphic form. Generally, information transfer must be short and simple. So specifically, word limit is there. Question paper निश्चित भाव में तुम word limit अच्छी 70 words रे. You try to remember when we write a paragraph about the information transfer using the graphic form. At the time, it must be very short and very simple. एटा कौन लिखा था? अति छोटर लिखा, बेसी लंबा करवा नहीं, बेसी लेंथी करवा नहीं, एवं एटा को सिंपल लैंग्वेज रे लिखा. Now I have just given some graphic forms. This is called what? A graph. This is called a shape of pie chart or circle chart. And diagram. The diagrams are divided into 3 types. One is tree diagram, second is a table diagram, and third one is the bar diagram. So these are the subdivisions of diagrams. And tree diagram, this is a shape tree diagram, it is a table diagram, and it is bar diagram. Let's start. When we write a paragraph using the information given in the graphic form, what points must be followed? When we write the answer about the information transfer, we should remember the following points. कौन से पॉइंट गुड़ाक जिते बड़े आम कौन से एक ग्राफिक फॉर्म को लेकिन पाराग्राफटे लिखुचु सेते आम जाना दरकार जे कौ कौ पॉइंट को आम बेसी ध्यान देव कौ पॉइंट को लेकिन आम पाराग्राफटे लिखा. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट वी मस्ट गिव द हेडिंग और टाइटल. दिस इज द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट पॉइंट. गिविंग फर्स्ट वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड हेडिंग और टाइटल. जिते बड़े आम इनफॉरमेशन ट्रांसफर उपर पाराग्राफटे लिखा जाऊँ प्रथम आम कौन गोटे हेडिंग बा टाइटल निहाती देवा दरकार. तो अदरवाइज यू विल लूज योर मार्क. जदि हेडिंग बा टाइटल तुम मिस कल ताले मार्क तुम लूज कर डेफिनेटली. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, हेडिंग और टाइटल मस्ट बी रिटेन इन ब्लॉक और बोल्ड लेटर. I have told you several times in note making and summary and also in report writing, heading or title generally must be written in bold or block letter. कथा को कह जाइए बारंबार. हेडिंग बा टाइटल देला बेले आमे कैपिटल लेटर बा बोल्ड लेटर लिखा दरकार. नंबर 3, वर्ड लिमिट ऑफ द टाइटल और हेडिंग नॉट एक्सीड टू 6 words. Generally when you write the title, when you provide the title, your title word limit must be 6, not exceed to 6. कारण 6टा वर्ड अधिक देले सेटा अधिक लंबा हो टाइटल. आम टाइटलटा निश्चित भाव इम्प्रेसिव हवा दरकार. इट मस्ट बी आई कैचिंग हवा दरकार. नंबर 3, वर्ड लिमिट ऑफ द टाइटल इज विद इन द 6. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इन टाइटल और हेडिंग नो ग्रामेटिकल एरर इज टेकन इनटू अकाउंट. आम हेडिंग बा टाइटल देला बेले कौन सी प्रकार ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक को आम हिसाब को नवा ना. इट मे बी ग्रामेटिकल एरर बट इट कन्वेज ए सेंस. जनरली टाइटल प्रोवाइड कला बेले निश्चित भाव सेंस बुझा दरकार. मे बी ग्रामेटिकल एरर इज देयर बट डोंट वरी फॉर दैट. इन टाइटल और हेडिंग नो ग्रामेटिकल एरर इज टेकन इनटू अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, हेडिंग और टाइटल इज रिटेन इज विद इन द क्वेश्चन. यू थिंक व्हाट वी विल गिव द टाइटल, व्हाट विल द टाइटल इज, what will be the title. टाइटल कौन हवा दरकार. आम कन्फ्यूज होता बेले बेले ना. दैट शुड नॉट बी ए मैटर ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन. रियली इट इज विद इन द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द टाइटल. यू हैव टू ड्रैग फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन भीतर ही अच्छी तो क्वेश्चन टाइटलटी. सो टाइटल को आम क्वेश्चन भीतर ही बाहर करवा. से लिखाई हेडिंग और टाइटल इज विद इन द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट क्वेश्चन इन बिल्ट. क्वेश्चन इन बिल्ट इट इज विद इन द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन भीतर ही अच्छी से व्यस्तता हवा दरकार ना. नंबर 6, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इज ऑल्सो विद इन द क्वेश्चन. आम जो आम आफ्टर प्रोवाइडिंग और गिविंग द हेडिंग देन वी स्टार्ट द पैराग्राफ. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इज ऑल्सो विद इन द क्वेश्चन. आम कौन लिखा. जनरली जिते बड़े आम पैराग्राफ लेखा स्टार्ट करुचु फर्स्ट सेंटेंस कौन लिखा जीवो. इट इज ऑल्सो विद इन द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इज ऑल्सो विद इन द क्वेश्चन. सो the sentence must be grammatically correct. When we all the sentence what the sentences are included in the paragraph that must be grammatically correct. But in heading there may be grammatical error, but in the passage or in paragraph what you write the sentence must be grammatically correct. First sentence of the paragraph is also within the questions. Answer must be written in one paragraph. Sometimes the students make several paragraphs, more than one paragraph. It is incorrect. It is not correct. It is wrong. Answer must be within one paragraph. Your answer must be written because a specific word. Write a paragraph. Question thibo write a paragraph. Question भीतर अच्छी गोटे paragraph रे लिखिया पाई. तेणु आमर आंसर मध्य गोटे paragraph रहिबा दरकार. This is also the most significant point when you write a paragraph about information transfer using the graphic forms. Answer must be within one paragraph. And last point, the information contained in a graph or chart or table etc. must be described in details. What information is there in a graphic form? It may be whatever the graphic form may be, but the information contained in the graphic form must be described in details. These are the points must be followed while we write a paragraph about a graphic form. I have given you one example. The information transfer एथरे 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन आसुची काउंसिल एग्जाम रे जे कौन से एग्जाम तो पाइबो तुमरा मंथली एग्जाम हो बा तुमरा हाफ ईयरली एनुअली एग्जाम हो टेस्ट एग्जाम हो जहाँ भी हो जो एग्जाम रे तुम पाइबो इनफॉरमेशन ट्रांसफर निश्चित भाव में 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन आसीबो वन क्वेश्चन देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव कौन से प्रकार और क्वेश्चन नथिबो गोटी क्वेश्चन थिबो गोटी ग्राफिक फॉर्म थिबो ताको नि केम पैराग्राफ लिखिबा इनफॉरमेशन ट्रांसफर उपरे फर्स्ट ईयर जहाँ पढ़ी तार ठीक अपोजिट आम पढ़ा सेकेंड ईयर कोर्स रे वन एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गिवन बिलो क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस इन द काउंसिल एग्जाम one example is given below is a table diagram showing the maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places. Write a paragraph. You try to follow this word. What is that? Write a paragraph. We have to write a paragraph. हमको गोटिए paragraph लिखिए पड़ी in about 70 words. So word limit is 70. You try to remember word limit is 70. In about 70 words interpreting the information given in the table. Sometimes in a graphic form many informations are there, but word limit may exceed to 70 words. But what type of a question that you will get in the council exam, it is very brief and there must be 70 words word limit. जो काउंसिल एग्जाम तुम आंसर लिखुच से कौन हम ना तुम वर्ड लिमिट कहुई इन अबाउट 70 वर्ड्स मे बी 5 वर्ड्स और 5 वर्ड्स कमी जापे 5 वर्ड्स बढ़ी जापे दिस इज नॉट ए मैटर राइट ए पैराग्राफ इन अबाउट 70 वर्ड्स इंटरप्रेटिंग द इनफॉरमेशन गिवन इन द टेबल वन टेबल इज देयर इट इज ए टेबल डायग्राम रे 4टा प्लेस रे देछि स्टेशंस मुंबई न्यू दिल्ली चेन्नई कोलकाता एंड what are the information recorded here? The information is temperature in 24 hours. Temperature in 24 hours and maximum temperature and minimum in one row. Maximum temperature in 4 places and minimum temperature also in 4 places. So this is a question. This type of question may come in the council exam. And when we write a paragraph, given below is a table diagram showing the maximum minimum temperature. You try to drag out, you try to snatch out the title from the how we snatch out the title from the your question. आमे ये क्वेश्चन भीतर केमती आमे तले एटा आंसर लिखुछु सेते बेला आमे आ भीतर केमती हेडिंग टा स्नैच आउट करछु हेडिंग टा केमती बाहर करछु हेडिंग कंफ्यूज अब काम कोन हेडिंग देबा पिला मान भीतर कंफ्यूज आसे हेडिंग आमे कोन देबु केमिति आ भीतर हेडिंग क्वेश्चन भीतर हेडिंग अछि म कहि छी इट इज विद इन द क्वेश्चन हेडिंग इज इनबिल्ट हेडिंग इज क्वेश्चन इनबिल्ट हेडिंग क्वेश्चन भीतर अछि एंड फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रो फर्स्ट लाइन मध्ये क्वेश्चन भीतर ही अछि गिवन बिलो ज डायग्राम शोइंग यू ट्राई टू शोइंग द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर इन 4 प्लेसेस आमे जदि यूज करिबा मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर इन 4 प्लेसेस सो वर्ड लिमिट विल बी मोर देन 6. So try to minimize the word limit. You can also, you know that heading or title may vary from student to student. प्रत्येक स्टूडेंट जे समान प्रकार टाइटल ता देबे सेमती किसी माने नहीं टाइटल भेरी करिवो निश्चित भाव में जहाँ भी हो ये क्वेश्चन भितर रिलेटेड हितिबा दरकार जहाँ भी टाइटल दबो सेटा क्वेश्चन भितर रिलेट करथिबा दरकार. If your title is wrong then you have to lose 1 mark and its full mark is 5. So you have to lose 1 mark if title is wrong. Anyway, I have told you what title is within the question. देखो showing the maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places. We can say if you write the maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places, it is also a correct title. But we have to minimize the word. Minimize the word. Temperature in 4 places. Temperature in 4 places. Temperature means it indicates to maximum because it is within the what? It is in the table. Maximum and minimum temperature. temperature in 4 places. This is the heading, and heading a title must be or must be written in bold or block letter. Heading a title must be bold or block letter. Heading a title must be in bold or block letter. Temperature in 4 places. Temperature in 4 places. Now we start. This is the after heading is over. Then we go to paragraph. Paragraph. First sentence of the paragraph is also within the question. This table diagram shows or describes or gives us information or highlights or depicts or interprets whatever word. You can take the help of any one word. Not I have given you the options. This table diagram, you just try to mark what table diagram showing the maximum and minimum time. Showing, when you write the paragraph, your sentence must be grammatically correct. This table diagram shows. Not shows. This is the third person singular number, shows. Or any student can write describes, or any other can write what gives us information, or some other write highlights or depicts or interprets. Means I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. You can take or you can write only one word. This table diagram shows about the maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places. The particular sentence they are showing the maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places. This is the first line, maximum and minimum temperature in 4 places, like Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. Now we have to study, we have to go through the table vividly. You mark Mumbai, the maximum temperature is 34 degree and it is the highest, and also in case of your minimum temperature it is 21, but in Chennai and Kolkata maximum temperature 29 and 33, but minimum temperature remains same. And New Delhi is such a place where maximum temperature is 26 degree and minimum temperature is 08 degree. Similarly, Mumbai possesses the top place in both maximum and minimum temperature, like maximum and minimum temperature, like your maximum and minimum temperature. Mumbai possesses the top place in both maximum and minimum temperature, like 34 degree and 28 degree. 34 degree and 28 degree. 34 degree and 28 degree Celsius. New Delhi places, Mumbai उभय आम देखुचे जे उभय मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर अधिक रही अन्य सिटी अपेक्षा. New Delhi places the lowest rank in maximum and minimum temperature such as 26 degree and 0 degree. In Chennai and Kolkata, you just mark the temperature, maximum and minimum temperature in Chennai and Kolkata. In Chennai and Kolkata, the maximum temperature is 29 degree and 33 degree have been recorded, whereas the minimum temperature in these two places remains same, like 33 degrees Celsius. So these are the total information which is within the table, that is described in details and in full complete sentence. This is part one example, and you try to follow these examples. After these examples, I think you are very much clear about the chapter, and I have sent you some answers of activity in book 3, like activity 1, activity 5, 9, your activity 10, 13. So these are the important activities, 14, 16 and also activity 21 and 22. So these are the important questions in that particular chapter. I have also sent you the notes. You try to follow. Thank you all.